Drew still won't come out. I'm on top of the world.
What's up, man? We're gonna go do some backpacking. Me, Chris, Adam Croftland, and Drew. We're gonna go backpack some FLATIRON. It's gonna be crazy. Him and I are waiting at Drew's house right now. We're waiting for Drew to come outside, but that always takes a while. Adam Croft is on his way. We're gonna be timing, like, our timing's a little bad, so we're probably gonna be getting to the top of the mountain around the time when the sun's gonna be setting. So it's gonna be a short and quick trip. It's supposed to be below 30 degrees tonight. It'll be chilly. Chris is prepared. Hey, let me see your outfit, Chris. We're all piling into the, is it Sequoia? Yeah, Sequoia. Here's my good friend Drew. He's feeling extra smiley today. I like that beanie.
Come on in.
Come on. Wow. Man! What is going on?
That's Mama's cooking.
We're on the way! Oh my,
It's gonna make us backlight. I buy a lever belt for him. That was first. Do you need a ride? Stay. Can I use yours? We're like the Avengers. Yeah.
That's all you have.
Okay, let's not.
So we just started the hike. We're about 2 minutes in. Drew's having some technical difficulties. You're killing it though, bro.
The first lady.
Sorry about our friend.
Yeah, sorry about her.
Are y'all going backpacking?
Yeah, it's like a bridal thing. It's weird.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's like it's like for the future. Take the road less traveled.
How's he doing that?
Stop that!
Let's do this. Let's do this. We're on a mile and a half in. We're kind of getting our butts kicked right now. These packs, yeah, our packs are heavy, man.
I'm getting my ass kicked.
We still got a ways to go. We'll be right back.
We listening in the car.
Yeah. We're gonna get a slushie. Yeah, good job, dude. You're killing it, man.
Thanks.
You're doing it. We're getting there. We're at 1 hour and 17 minutes so far. 2.1 miles, an elevation gain of 1100. Not too bad. Drew can't wait to get up and eat his pizza.
Man, this place sucks. If I ever get back to for the home team.
All right, we are approaching the last stretch of the hike. We're going up there to the top. Right, man?
Man, I change outfits again. What's up?
These are cashews. We made it to the top. We haven't officially gone to the peak yet. The peak's right there. We're waiting for Chris and AK to get up here so we can share the experience. Have a cashew, like one. Really one. Thanks. I don't want to drop it. Really good. Yeah. We're waiting up here. I haven't been filming much. This is a hard trail to film on. Like, the whole time you're just staring at the ground, pulling yourself up rocks that, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not thinking about my camera that often. We're doing it. All right, we're approaching the peak. We got all the gentlemen with us. Hello, hello. Oh, this is the best part of every adventure. Getting to the top, unwinding, and grabbing all of our grub. Yeah, but Drew says it's the journey, which is true, but you can't lie, man. This is the best part. I did buy a pack of hot chocolate from Sportsman. I will be enjoying tonight with dinner. It's like protein hot chocolate. It's great. We made it.
I just started looking up and my legs and started shaking. Welcome to Arizona!
We're here! Woo! Man, this dude brought a whole pizza.
Bruh, let me put my shirt on.
Hey.
So I was sending this to my coworkers. It's an inside joke. Brother!
Bro.
Brother!
Let me hop up here real quick.
I haven't seen down there yet. Wow.
This is crazy.
That is
Man.
insane.
We're getting all of our stuff set up. That's Chris and I tent back there. Drew and Crawford were working on sticking that down. Crawford was having fun while he's doing it too, right?
This shit's nomad.
It's so cold though, and it's only gonna get colder, but we're chilling, man. We're chilling. Hey, it's so cold, but we're boiling water right now and getting our meals prepped. Check out the city lights. Looks nuts. I got the jet boil going. I got biscuits and gravy for dinner and protein hot chocolate.
Fueled by Mac.
This guy's got mac.
Family size.
Okay.
For a family guy.
What are you munching on?
Mac and ramen.
Mac and ramen. And Drew's over there cooking his pizza on the stovetop. Bruh. My biscuits and gravy look so gross. Look what Chris is munching on. He's got all the mac. Oh!
That's so good.
See what's going on over there. This is what they're saying. Dude, that.
It's been like 40 minutes, I think.
Really? Nice, dude. Hello! We're in our tent right now. Oh my god.
Done for the day.
We're in our tent right now. We're done for the day. It is. We stood out there for a while, made food, talked, just chilled.
7:45 right now.
Dude, it's humbling being up here, man. Like, you see everything on such a crazier scale that it just puts in place how tiny you are. I love it, man. It doesn't get old.
Life is worth living.
Yeah, man. It's me and this guy in the tent right now, and then we got Drew and Crawford in the other tent. Their tent's like falling over. Their tent's like falling over. We're gonna get karma for saying that.
We are gonna get karma for saying that.
Hey guys.
Welcome to the tent.
Hey guys! Hey guys! Bro, we just fit 4 people in a 2-person tent because
What am I sitting on?
their tent. I got a video on my phone. I'll put it in.
Bro. It's like this is crazy. I could just
Here, but their tent was literally blowing over, dude.
The video.
And I thought they were gonna blow up the cliff. It was so funny.
Yeah, it was so scary. I thought we were gonna die, and he was laughing the whole time.
It actually was kind of scary.
Emma.
kind of comfy now.
Chris is mad.
Chris, listen to me, man.
He got the bag though.
Dude, I'm literally I'm like out of the tent right now. If you can see my arm's just like out of the tent.
Why?
Because I can't fit it in. Something happened to my phone.
Well,
Come on.
When we were younger, we thought everyone was on our side. Then we grew a little
Good
and
morning, man.
romanticized the time.
Last night was one of those nights where I had no idea if I was asleep or not at all that entire night. It
Takes a boy to
was good though. We
takes a
made it through.
man to pretend he was there. So then we grew a little and knew a lot. And now we demonstrated it to the cops and all the things we said. We were self-assured. 'Cause it's a long road to wisdom. It's a short one for being ignored. Me and my eyes Be in my heart. Be in my eyes. Be in my heart. So now I think that I can love you back, and I hope it's not too late, 'cause you're so attractive.
We've been doing a little bit of exploring this morning. Chris and Adam are back at the camp getting water and stuff, probably getting packed up. But Drew and I have the urge to get to the very top of the superstitions, which is gonna be right over there. We're not stopping until we get to the very top, and then we'll head down. But Drew's trying to figure out how to get up these boulders first.
Be in my heart. Be in my eyes. Be in my heart.
We made it to the very top of the Superstition Mountains. This is the Super Bowl. It is insane. Flatiron is right down there. We hiked from there. And this morning we hiked there, around down there, and then up here. Now Drew and I are just chilling.
Be in my heart.
Pretty fun.
Be in my eyes. Be in my heart.
What? That's for you, Cannon.
Dude, like, you keep
All
taking,
done.
keep taking pictures of me, and I'm just like not even with it.
Bags are packed. Bags are all where? Big dream bags are all packed up and ready to go. Dude, that took me so long to think of those lyrics. Surfing. We're going surfing.
I can't believe you guys scaled that. Good morning.
Man, we got ticketed $5 for parking in the wrong spot.
Add a couple
Hey,
zeros.
they
I'm
know
not
I ain't
paying that, bro.
paying that,
You're
bro.
paying it.
The trip was so fun. And if you think I'm being sarcastic, I'm not. It was so fun.
So, I guess this is my outro. We're signing off right now. Met myself a little twin, a little gym bay, a little sighting, you know, and other things.
If you think you can do that hike, you can. Don't ever think about going at a penny. I know you're watching right now. We're going to your house. We're gonna sneak into your hot tub.
That was the end of our trip. It was fun. Man.
This burger's from Whoville.
Baseball charity video. Yeah. We would love your support this season for HHS Baseball. You can click the link provided in the email and donate for us.
In my